Hi, so this is Scott Mandrell and Shanggao Yang's final project for CS10, and we decided to create an educational program based on the game of baseball. And this game is solely the offensive part of baseball. There's no defensive aspect to it. And so, what this game does is it's meant to show its users how the game works. So, like I said, just it's meant to educate. If you don't have to call it a game, you can call it a program. But it's going to say all this stuff over here first, and then it's going to go down to here, and it's going to choose a random offensive scenario. And if you don't know what that means, it's just going to choose something random that can happen in offense. So there's a man on first and second with 2 outs. These are all examples. There's a man on second with 3 outs. Or not 3 outs, 2 outs. There's a man on third with 1 out. It could be any possible offensive situation. So then what it is going to do is it's going to ask its user how hard on a scale of 1 to 3 they want to hit the ball in this situation. So if they choose 1, the program will choose at random either, unfortunately, you didn't hit the ball hard enough, that results in an out. And when you get an out, it could be a double play if it's the right situation, or it could just be an out. Or it could choose at random, although you didn't hit the ball well enough, you hit a single. So each runner will advance 1 base. If the user inputs 2, it's going to choose at random either the at-bat runner hit a double or a triple. So if they hit a double, they advance, all the runners advance 2 bases. If it's a triple, all the runners advance 3 bases. And so if the user inputs 3, that's going to always result in a home run, and all the runners, despite where they are, will all advance to home plate. So they'll advance around all the bases. So let me show you how this game works. So there's a man on second with 1 out. Chose that at random. The ball is pitched, and then the at-bat runner appears. And so on a scale of 1 to 3, how well did you hit the ball? Let's say I hit 1. Okay, so it chose, unfortunately, you didn't hit the ball hard enough to leave the infield. That results in an out. The runner was thrown out. There are 2 outs now, since there was 1 out before. So nothing happens. The runner just got thrown out at first. Just waiting for the ball to reset. Okay, there we go. And now let's choose 2. So this can't be an out now. It has to be a double or a triple. Nice, you hit a double. Each runner advances 2 bases. See, as you notice, this runner went from third to home. This runner went from first to second. And so now the ball is pitched again. Let's do 1 again, see if we get a new situation. Unfortunately, you didn't hit the ball hard enough, so this is another out. So the infielder was able to throw the runner out at first. And so there are 3 outs now, so the program just stops. So if you want to play again, you click the green flag and everything resets. So now I'm going to show you what happens when you input 3, and this will be the last thing since the cheering of the crowd lasts pretty long. Okay, there's a man on first and third with no outs. So let's put 3. Home run. See as all of them advance. So yeah, as you notice, when I input 3, a home run happened, and all of the runners advanced to home plate. So yeah, that's basically our program. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.